So it is 24 hours later from when I made the biga, and this is what it looks like. Now this is quite cool. I live in the country. I heat by wood, and the temperature in the evening in the middle of winter is a bit chilly. It doesn't hurt this biga. It just slows it down a little bit, and that's fine. But today we mix up the ciabatta, and this is one of the ingredients. I have the other ingredients ready, and I'll list those on the screen in the video somewhere. And this is going to be kind of two steps. What I need to do, because this is quite stiff, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the water in here and break this up, so it's going to be much easier to mix with the remaining ingredients, just flour and yeast and salt. And I'll do that. I'll transfer this into a bigger bucket. This is batches for 8 loaves of bread, and I would normally use my mixer for this. I have a reasonable size Hobart mixer, and it works fine. But one of the things that I recommend for people, especially those starting out in bread baking, is to do stuff by hand. Primarily because this gives you a really good sense of feel for what the ingredients are doing, and you get a feel for what is a proper feel for bread as it develops. So you get a really good sense of that. If you do it by machine, then you're isolating yourself from it, and you really don't get a good grasp of how these ingredients behave. So I'm going to pour the water in for this particular batch, and you just dive in and start breaking this up. Now this is warm water, and that'll warm up the biga and help quite a bit. And don't worry about getting your hands all messy. That's part of the fun. It looks like, a bunch of plasticine right at the moment. Ciabatta is probably the best place to start, so you can get a really good sense of what's going on with your various ingredients. So it's starting to break up nicely. I'll do a little bit more yet before I move on to the next step. That should be good for my needs. Okay, let me wash my hands, reset things, and we'll move on to the next step.